What's up, guys? Simeon from SmartSimj Graphics. This is tutorial number 8, and I'm going to teach you guys about multidimensional arrays in C language. Okay, so if you have been watching my tutorials, I made a tutorial on data types. So one of the data types were integers, and I think I also talked about arrays inside that tutorial. Yeah, but those ones were single dimension. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to write a multi-dimension array in C. Okay, so this will store at least more data than the single dimension array. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. Say int my dimension array, and for this you have to put double square brackets, and in the first one it is number of rows, let's say 2, and in the second one is number of columns, 3. Okay, so is equal to, and then we put curly brackets equals. Okay, but since we have specified here like 2 rows and 3 columns, so what you have to do is put another square curly brackets. Okay, this is our first row. Say 1, 2, 3. Okay, all of these have to be integers. Okay, and in our second row, say 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then we close here. And from this, what the compiler understands is we have 2 rows. This is the first one and the second one. Number of columns, it is 1, 3, 1 and 4. That's our first column. 2 and 5, second column. 3 and 6, that's our third column. As you have seen here, it's 2 and 3. Okay. Yeah. So despite the other one, it could only take 1, but this one can take more. Okay. So to print out a multi-dimensional array, an element inside the multi-dimensional array, we specify is this special formatter, and here is say multi-dimensional array, and we specify which row is it, the first one, and sorry for that. The second one is you specify which column. Let's say column number 2. So let's do this and run and see the output. Oh, I forgot to close. Yeah. Let's build that and run. See, the output is 6, which is this one. Okay. You know, arrays start from 0. So in in our row, we said 1. This is row number 0, and this is number 1. Okay, but we have 2 of these. And then in our columns, we say 0. This is 0. 1 and 4 is 0. 2 and 5 is 1. And then 3 and 6 is 2. But in total, we have 3 of these. Yeah, so that's what the compiler, it has given out 6, as the answer. Okay, so one more time, a multi-dimensional array will carry several of these single dimension arrays. Okay, if you say this is our row, this is our columns. Okay, as I've explained here. Okay, that's the first thing. And another thing, if you want to, maybe you don't want to specify the number of rows, it is possible. Say my second array. You can do this. Okay, you can only specify the number of columns. Okay, let's see 2. Okay, like that. Let's close this. And this side here is our. Okay, we can, for this, we only have let's say 4. This is index 0, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, this is column 1, 0, column 0, 1, 2. Okay, and this one, let's just copy this one and separate that by a comma. Okay, let's try to print it out. And in here you can specify, like, I want to print on row number 1, which is this one, with element at position 0. That will give us 4. Okay, let me close that and build. Okay, as you can see here, so let me format this one. Okay. Anyway, I'll teach you guys about escaping characters in my next tutorial. Okay, yeah. Don't mind about that one. You just want to put a new line, which is this one. Okay. So that's all about multidimensional arrays. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and spread the news.